Hey guys, now in this session we will going to create one sample app by using a UI collection view, and we'll see that how we can make use of delegates and protocols that are available for UI collection view cell. For this, what we'll do, we will just create one demo app or one view controller. It will have one collection view in that, and then we will write a code. What we will do, that it will create an it will show a number of items with the different background color in different background colors. So for that, what we need to do, we need to just create one project. And so I have created one project, and from the then go to the storyboard, and from the and in the storyboard, uh, go to collection view collection view just stretch it to the screen, and go to the size inspectors, and then uh, check its auto resizing options, so that it will expand as so it will have the same width and height as per the screen, so you need not to worry about it of its size. What Now we will increase the size of a collection view cell. So this is it. The content which you want to display in your collection view, that all content will goes in this collection view cell. Suppose you want to show an image, then that image will going to be displayed in this cell. And we all know that to use and to show an image, we can make use of an image view also, and we can also make use of an background, and make use of a background. I think there is no such option available for this collection. So we have an collection view here. Now what we will see, now we will go to switch to the, let's see, first it is assigned in controller. Yes, it is assigned it. Now we'll go to the view controller, and now we will here we will write the code for the UI collection view. And for this, you need to first call all of its delegates. You will need to inherit all its delegate. We know that the collection view doesn't have their own own data items, so for that we need a data source, and by using its data source, we will going to feed items to the UI collection view. Delegate UI collection view data source. And we'll also going to add UI collection view flow layout, delegate flow layout. This through this delegate we can set that how many cells can be fit to an each row. So for this, now it will prompt an error, and the error is for the protocols and delegates that we haven't used it yet. Now we will use, here it is. You can directly go to here and fix it, so it will add the delegates directly to your code. Okay, now you see that number of items in the section. How many items do you want? How many items do you want in your section? I want 100 items. Okay, now it will ask, it is for the cell For this, what we need, uh, we need to create one cell, so we will see that how we can. Yes, here it is. So I'm going to create a cell here. Let cell collection view dot. In last video of collection view, we discussed about that how we can and reuse the cells as the as the cell leaves the user, or it's hidden, or it's out of the screen, then it leaves the screen, then we can make use of the cell again instead of creating a new cell. So by using this code we can do that. Now we have to write the identifier. So cell identifier, by using this, through this identifier, it identifies that which cell is reusing, which cell we are reusing. Okay, now index path. Okay, so in this way we have created a cell. Now what we'll do, we will just return a cell. Okay, and now what we want that the collection view cell has have random colors. So for that we need to create one method. Okay, it's giving an error, we misspelled the index path. Now we will going to create one method which called, which will we will named it as a random color. Okay, which will going to return UI color. Okay, now we want random colors, so what we'll do, we will just use RGB here. So for that we need a red color, CG float, and we will use this the rand to get the random number. The rand was for 48. So here it is. We'll take it. It's an RGB, so we will write now green and blue. Now we will return color by sending its RGB red. Its intelligence is not working. Green, green, blue, not alpha 1.0. Okay, let's see whether it will work or not. Now we will use this random color background color equals to cell dot random color. Okay, now the random color method is ready, and now we use this random color to get the background color randomly. Now we will check we will set the identifier for the collection view. Okay, yeah, here it is. We gone, yeah. Now it's set. Now we'll check its delegate. Yeah, we will set its delegate here. Okay, and now we will set its flow layout, and we also need to set its section, that how many section do you want, so we want only one section, so we will write here collection view, just check it, export, just write it section. Yeah, I think we'll insert for section, and no, this is not the correct delegate. Collection view section, number of section, I think, yes, here it is, number of section. Okay, now here we will return that we want only one section, so we will return it here. And we didn't set the flow layout, so we will set a float layout here. Okay, minimum spacing for section at, so we will set the minimum spacing year 1, return. Now we will set collection view flow layout for minimum. Okay, our build gets succeeded here. Yes. So in this way our collection view going to look like. So that's for this video. That's for this session. Thanks.